Dial it up to 11. Unleashing maximum effort. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and engaging. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that's music to our ears. Dial it up to 11. This expression is not just about numbers or volume. It's a powerful way to talk about giving your all. Stay tuned to uncover its origins, meanings, and how to use it in everyday conversations. The phrase, "dial it up to 11", originates from the 1984 mockumentary film, This is Spinal Tap. It humorously describes a guitar amplifier that doesn't stop at the maximum volume of 10, like most amps, but goes one notch higher, to 11. This extra level signifies going beyond the usual limits, pushing boundaries to achieve something extraordinary or putting in maximum effort. Let's dissect the phrase for a better understanding. Dial it up suggests increasing intensity or effort, and to 11 implies going beyond the typical maximum. Together, they serve as a metaphor for exceeding expectations or going the extra mile in any situation, be it in work, personal achievements, or even in the intensity of an argument. Dial it up to 11 is versatile. You can use it to encourage someone to put in their utmost effort or to describe a situation where things are being taken to the extreme. Here are a few examples. When it comes to the final stages of the project, we really need to dial it up to 11 to meet our deadlines. I thought the party was lively, but when the DJ arrived, they really dialed it up to 11. Beyond its literal use, dial it up to 11 reflects a cultural ethos of striving for excellence and pushing beyond conventional boundaries. It's a call to action that resonates across various fields, from music and movies to sports and personal development. And there you have it, folks. Dial it up to 11 is more than just a quirky phrase from a cult film. It's a mantra for those who dare to exceed limits and aim for the stars. We hope this video inspires you to dial up your efforts to 11 in everything you do. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.